Let's get it.
YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy Money Making. Back with another banger, man. This is day 6, man. Day 6. I know y'all probably like, man, what's the hold up? Man, been a whole lot of going on around here. You hear me? You know what I mean? But my homeboy Trav been on vacay for like a week, man. So that threw us back a little bit. But it ain't nothing major we have to do to get it up and going. We will get some oil pressure going in this video. I promise you that. But yeah, man, he went out of town for a little bit or whatever, took care of some family business and hung out with his kinfolks or whatever. So goddamn me, they're on their way to pick this box back up. Yes, it's back at my crib, because ain't no way I was gonna let my car sit outside in the rain, you know what I mean? Get beat up on. So we brought it back to my crib. Him and Big Phil on their way over here to pick that thing up. So we can go ahead and finish up these last pieces, man. Best part about it, before you went out of town, I salute them boys. They did take it to the exhaust shop. We got the exhaust shop. Got there, they got that knocked out, so we don't have to worry about that phase. So all we gotta do is button up the last few pieces inside the box. And we're gonna get us some oil pressure, you hear me? So man, make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe to your boy Money Making, man. We back at it. So hopefully in the next day or so, matter of fact, it's gonna be the day, we're gonna have some fucking oil pressure, you hear me? Let's fucking go. Back at your YouTube, they finally pulling up to come and get this box, man. Trying to get back to work, vacation over with, you know what I mean? We finna get some oil pressure coming through here. I swear, man, I'm only sitting in this motherfucker hungry, waiting on y'all.
Oh, you talking shit? Let's go back home. We'll figure positive. That's why he took no money. Let's go back home.
I tell you what, hold on, let me get my shotgun real quick. I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna put that tire on flat.
Hey, that's fine. I'm on the sidewalk, so you know your property.
Oh, shit. Y'all doing all right today?
What's going on?
What's going on, man?
Huh?
Yes, sir. We got motion. We got motion. Motion. Just gotta get these small things connected. We better get us some oil pressure today.
Put on the bumper pool. When they picked up old boy car. Why the hell y'all? Don't climb through the goddamn
Passenger seat, yep. Hey, we got it so close to the wall. I had to make sure I had my walking space.
You have room to put.
Yeah, I definitely did. Because if I didn't, and that hell would have came, I would have sued you.
Yeah.
Hey, it worked out perfect though, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. It worked out perfect.
Sometimes you gotta think, ahead.
Yeah. No, I really wasn't thinking.
That radiator piece I got, it do go to a G-body.
Yeah.
They go, I told my brother I left having to put on his one color.
You see this one on there?
Yeah.
But you found a different one?
No, so the one that I got in the house, has to go to a G-body. I'm
Oh.
just gonna give it to my brother, he can put it on his one collar.
Okay, so he ain't got nothing to do with nothing hard then. It's
Nope.
exactly meant for
I told him trying to find something to do with it.
it.
Hey, crank it up, pull it out.
Yeah.
What? You ready? Don't get to hit the brake now.
She sees sunlight again. YouTube, we're back in the sun. She dirty. I can't wait. See the exhaust duct. You know what I mean? Got it all loaded up, YouTube. Next time y'all see this box, she gonna be coming back in my driveway with her new heartbeat. She ain't gonna need no trailer. She gonna be on your niggas' ass, I promise you. Next time she come back in my yard and back in my garage, I will be pushing it. You best believe it. It won't be on no trailer. You hear me?
We was talking about that yesterday, so y'all going down to Saturday. I wanted to take you to the show, but I can't take off work. Fridays is my busiest day, so.
Fat 3 YouTube, you see it. Motherfucker clean. 6'4"? 6'3", okay. 6'3" Impala. Yeah, if you don't mind. I'm just trying to get you a little YouTube content. Brains blowed out in it. This motherfucker OG.
Charles, you gonna go to the Dallas? You gonna go to the thing in Dallas for real?
Yeah, damn. A lot of money back here. A lot of money. No, you good. Okay.
This thing 6, but those are batteries.
Batteries and.
8 batteries.
Damn.
Yep, them same ones everybody runs.
What are these?
Oh, those are hydraulic pumps? Hydraulic pumps. Yeah, they make the car go up
That's
and
a
down.
lot of money.
Oh, very good.
That shit
3
make me
pumps, so you
humble.
got the 3-wheel motion. Yeah. 3 wheels and then
Easy.
got the single in the middle to the front. Yep.
That's what you call 2 pumps.
What's that? She told us that that's what you call 2 pumps on the swirl.
Stupid. They say it happens sometimes. Big boy sunroof. You see the custom top.
That's a 44.
That thing big. It ain't no normal sunroof.
42. As you know, Mike like them 44s. Take a lot of real estate. A lot. I take a 44, but it came with a kind of pretty car. It's a similar color. I bought it with the intent to, just to take it and ride. And everybody asked, hey, what color is this? What's down? I didn't know this and I didn't know that. So I bought it and built the whole car. Took it all the way down to the paint. Every nut and motor is brand new on this damn thing.
Yeah, you got you one. Clean 5.3. He says our OG ain't stocking nothing, just straight OG motor. No cam, no nothing. It's clean though.
The only thing that changed different is the intake.
The intake, yeah. Trail trying to figure out the tune for him. You said what?
You gonna be on that intake? I'm gonna send to my tuner right now.
Yeah.
Let's see what he's doing. He's sitting right now.
Yeah, I'll pay attention to that.
My car is not cute. She's a bad bitch.
This is a girl, right? This is a girl love boy.
She's a girl. Her name is Nunu.
She's cute.
But she's not cute. She's a bad
She's
bitch.
not cute.
She's not. She's shy. Got the seats put back in. Got the wiring finishing up. We working. What's that? It's in the console. Right in the cup holder. I took it out the door because button it on up, YouTube. Just get the fattest thing up, man. Yes, sir. Been a long time coming. Ain't no goddamn diesel. See, if that's motherfucking diesel, we fucked. You gotta pull all that shit out. Yes, sir. It's about that time, YouTube. To have some oil pressure on your ass. And I forgot, goddamn, I ain't pumped 93 and nothing in the last month or so. That shit down there had me scared at the pump.
Ooh, yeah.
I looked at that motherfucker, seen it fill up. I said, ooh, it stopped at like $27. That was just 5 gallons. 5 fucking gallons. $26. I said, yeah, it's gonna be, that's crazy work. Yes, sir. She dirty, y'all. We're gonna get a bust down real good, real soon. But yeah. Still gotta move all this excess shit. Don't pay none of this no mind. We on the last stretch of buttoning up. Clamps on everything. Still gotta loom all this. Shorten some of these wires. Put the fluid in there. Got my seats bolted back in. Got the wires ran on the inside. Yo, they're cutting the good blocks out before they can run it through the back end of it. The rest of these wires, button everything back up. We getting there. And got my light put back on there. We working, man. We working.
Here's a big one. But tell me, but give me your rating though. I don't like it so
And bam, there you go.
y'all take a shot before we go?
Take a shot of what?
I be bored when y'all leave me. I got the rope. See, I'm trying to. Here we go.
Bam. Back of the glove box, you fool.
Put a little bit more.
A little bit more. You see the concept of it. We taking all the wires. He about to run them back up under yonder. I showed y'all he was cutting the glove box where it all gonna look nice, neat, and pretty. You know what I mean? Yeah. He had me confused, so it makes sense now. I see where his vision going with it.
So you can't even see it.
Huh?
So you can't even see it.
Exactly. That's the whole point of it. Be ducked off. Nice and clean.
And that's the back of the glove.
Exactly.
Okay.
Hey, this shit's like goddamn math over here, boy.
Well, boy be doing some shit, though.
Trust me, when he said cut my glove box, I was confused as fuck. Like, wait, man. Let's make this shit make sense. Literally. Hey, show me your vision before you cut my shit, goddamn me. Everything. I swear, bro.
That's not a radio.
What's that?
What are you doing?
Nah, that's the computer for the car itself. And I better say, I ain't pay for no radio install. Hey, that's some shit they doing out of GP.
That's on them.
Not a radio. That's just the
Hey, that was good, Tony.
the glove compartment.
Yeah.
That's what it is. You need some air in there. I know if girls master this, ain't no telling how many people they'll get.
I'm like, bro, what kind of shit is that? What you call it around there? The
high pressure one?
yeah.
Inside.
I ain't never on that shit. I'm like, what? You gonna put a little lube on that?
That's what I just pulled it back off for. You go get the little oil thing I just had.
We're getting there, YouTube. We're getting there. The glove wanna put a fucking LS in the vein.
Yeah, that's already in there.
What are you trying to change the fucking driver's license for?
They know the LS ain't supposed to on the model.
Okay. But that driver's license ain't gonna help his ass none. It's gonna put it in the way of something else.
No, I'm talking about the factory one set up
Yeah,
top.
the first one, the factory one said at the bottom.
Not on that van, it's set up top.
So why do you want to change the driver's license?
Because you know the LS only compressor on the bottom.
He put the LS in the van, right?
Yeah.
It didn't come with the LS.
That's a 99. It came with a 350.
So he want a pancake back on it.
Yeah. Put the same one back
Shit, I got that kid in the house.
He gone.
You put it back in the ring? The hole in the ring. The mountain ring.
Yeah, that one wasn't even tight.
Wasn't nothing on this motherfucker tight.
I mean, I'm just saying that he recording video.
Shit, wasn't nothing on this motherfucker tight. We took the carburetor bolts off by hand.
Man, that motherfucking shit been on there for down there 20 years, man.
Motherfucking money maker was out here driving like a female.
But much as
Gas
much as Trav touched the motherfucker, you'd think he would have tightened it up throughout the years. So technically, it's his fault.
It ain't my fault.
He been under the hood numerous of times with that 350.
I ain't pulled the carburetor off. I fixed the stuff you came over here need to be fixed.
But goddamn Jiffy Lube go above and beyond.
The Jiffy Lube don't even feel you got their washer fluid up, and they say they checked it.
It don't matter. Jiffy Lube got a checklist.
Checklist phone was loaded, let you know.
Goddamn me.
Got a port there. Hey, your washer fluid low, but we ain't fill it up.
Like, what the fuck? Like, why would you tell me don't fill it up?
Shit, on the cool, we might need to grab that spot over by my house.
What spot?
The one over there where I used to get my truck down at, the lady closed it down.
You too, the moments y'all been waiting on though, man. Coach ass nigga. We out here, man. A goddamn box Chevy release party is going on this evening.
Make sure y'all follow me on YouTube.
Yes, sir. We outside. We live in the fake big field on the ones and twos. My boy Weezy over there. Weezy got a real race car. He told Trav he gonna fuck Trav up. So when Trav gets talked to with a supercharger disrespectful, I know it's real. But yeah.
Twin turbo versus supercharger.
Goddamn Trav in here doing his magic. This the moment the world been waiting on right here. Driveway racing. This is where it goes on at, man. Y'all stay tuned. It's coming, man. Matter of fact, I ain't cutting the camera off no more. Big eights. Big eights. Yeah, money making live in effect, man. We're gonna give y'all a little sample, real little snippet with it. We still working. Let's see what Trav talking about, man. We got oil pressure, Trav. Okay. 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 motherfucker rubbing, boy. We outside, bitch. Hey, that bitch sound healthy than goddamn motherfucking a little bit. You hear me? Oh, shit. Yes, sir. Hey, let's try to take a shot now. Let's pour up, goddamn it. It's up now, goddamn it. Phil, we finna drink now, goddamn it, boy.
I'll be back.
Yes, sir. Let's fucking go. My day has been complete. I told you.
Yeah,
Stay
stay
positive.
positive.
Stay positive. Yeah.
Stay positive.
Man. Hey, I can sleep tonight, goddamn it. Hey.
Listen, that's the wow.
Literally.
Wow.
That's why I tell my positive mind go a long way.
My boy got his oil pressure now.
Yes,
They tell him shit.
Hit the gas for him, Trav. That bitch camming though. I'm on y'all ass this summer. Oh my goodness. Man. We still got a lot of stuff we gotta button up though. Well, my cup is over there. Oh, this is my cup right here. She's so quiet. You heard that shit sound like a goddamn storm and
It's
shit.
local.
Huh?
It's local.
Yeah.
Bring the cam.
Oh, no.
You got a cam on it?
Stage 3.
Bring the cam in. That's why it's local. That's why it's local like it is. It's like local,
Yeah.
local.
Hey, up with it. Down with it. Fuck those who ain't with it. Let's go. Yeah,
They
yeah.
get too much gas. Like the airflow and the gas gotta be perfect for it to run how you really want it to run. If not, you're gonna be doing what I'm doing. Letting out, give it power.
Still got a lot more work to do under here, but we got oil pressure. You ain't blowing snowballs on talk to me. Windows up, sunroof on tilt. You heard me?
Just put a hose in this end on it. Put a hose in the back pressure.
How much is the cash can? I might end up just ordering one. Oh, if you running down, I ain't got to order one then. Okay, that's cool. Oh, for no, I ain't trying to do all that. Not too loud, but she goddamn be aggressive when you hit that gas pedal. That's the way I want it. You hear me? So my neighbors, when I take it back home, they ain't gotta be like, what is all that racket making? Yeah, we good. We got action, baby. We got action, baby. Motion party. We ain't got no exhaust leaks. Everything's sounding real good. Your box Chevy ain't got no AC, don't talk to me. We piping over here. You heard me.
You gotta go look at the bottle when it's sweating. That's how you know it's piping.
Oh, okay.
The bottle
Yeah.
see it's sweating. That's how you know it's piping. If it ain't sweating,
Ah, we piping, bitch.
AC should be pissed.
Hey, that's cat piss.
No, look under the car. If that motherfucker ain't dropping piss, if it ain't dropping piss from right here in a minute, that's how you know if it ain't piping. They keep supposed to be dripping water out there.
Yeah. Okay.
It's coming out the defrost.
Yeah, I feel it. Yeah, we piping. I feel like Tony Stewart, and I ain't even took him for a first drove yet. Yeah. She ain't skipped a beat either. realized all the bad shit you said to me, and he don't even know what's gonna come to him. I'm gonna walk up close to you two. You know you done fucked up. You know you done fucked up. You know you done fucked up.
I can't run. Both of them. I got an LS car too. I don't got no 408 stroke, but I got an LS. I may not go to bed.
I've been stroking to the east. I've been stroking to the west. Hey.
I may not go to bed, but I'm gonna get there.
Yeah, you gonna get there. I'm gonna be already there.
That's cool. Hey, just know, I'm gonna be there with AC with a 305, and I'm gonna have 2 cars, a Broham and a Ballhead. Just know that.
Hey, follow my dog Will. What's your YouTube, Will?
I don't even know. It's 903 Real.
903 Will on YouTube.
He gonna be right.
Yeah. We coming.
We just over here. We gotta remain on.
Yeah.
Let me go get my phone.
Okay. Texas Whip Fest, we on y'all ass. 2026. We coming in hot. No Diddy. Phil, what's good, Phil?
See it right here.
Hey, this is where it goes down there over here. Driveway racing, man. If y'all in Texas area, if Money Maker let you touch my car, you know you official. I don't let too many people touch my car. Trav, Phil, they made it happen. I salute to them boys. I back them 100%. 100%. Tell them Money Maker sent you, man. We out here. It's a motion party over here tonight. Got the little crown. Hey, Trav at work and ain't at work.
Hey, man, don't put that out.
That shit did.
YouTube is a wrap for the day. We got oil pressure. Everything turned out good.
That price went down.
So we still got some more shit we got to earn out.
Yeah, that price went down.
The kinks or whatever. Hey, Will.
Yeah, Freddy's on.
slid it under.
That's what she said. I slid it under there.
Girl, you better DoorDash this.
Hey, Will, grab. This nigga here ain't heard shit. Well, yeah. That's all for the day, man. Make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, man. We still working over here, man. But we will be ready for Texas Whip Fest. Money Maker fresh out. No, you good, bro.